Welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing the Ulanzi G8. It's for vlogging. A plastic case. It must be a lens cover. Okay, let's see. It says push. It slides open. Here we have my GoPro 8. Fits in perfectly. Okay, this won't close, so we have to open this first. And take it off. Put it back in. Close it again. And now we can close this. Now we have this socket to put a little bit higher for the microphone. And let me show you how it will work with an extra microphone. To have it work with a microphone separately from the camera, you have to put this in here. No, I'm doing this wrong. I guess. So you can put that one here, and this one here, and then you have here the 3.5mm microphone, or the USB-C. Let me get the microphone ready. And here I have the microphone. You can put it on here. Connect the 3.5mm into the adapter from GoPro, and then you have it. Turn it on. You have a protective case for your GoPro, and you can add an external mic when you need it. Later on there will be a video about this Boya mic, how it sounds. If it's better, because I want to use it better than a better one than I'm using right now. That's it. I like this. It looks good. It should sound good. And I'm really happy with this. It's the Ulanzi GoPro 8 vlog case. Yes, I give this a good review. I like it. I put a link in the description for this harness, for this vlog case of Ulanzi. By the way, I totally forgot to mention what this exactly is. This is from GoPro. It's the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, which means, which I just showed you, you can put the GoPro in this Ulanzi harness. Put this one in the harness, connect it to the GoPro, and then you can connect a microphone and you have a USB-C over here, which I think you can use for charging, I'm not sure. But at least you can put the microphone in. So you can use an external microphone by using this mic adapter from GoPro.